Can you believe I smoke 2 packs of cigarettes a day? Like, I can still rock it.
Your lungs are still very full of air.
It's just my body. I can't do it the other way, though.
Oh, you trying to do an innie?
Yeah. Wait. Let me try.
Yeah, there you go.
It's like a raptor.
You got it.
Right?
I'm not even gonna try that. Look at the dog. I was like, what the fuck kind of bird is that?
Is there more I need to do? Is there more I need to give to you people to make you fucking like and
hold
subscribe?
on. Try to do that outward, though. But outward.
No, I'd shit myself. I gotta push too hard. I felt it in my anal glands. I can only do it in.
Outward.